A wide offer of Yato tools permits to get acquainted with the solutions related to work in tire service centers. Fast chassis elements replace service centers, motor repairs, general mechanic service centers, company producing transport pallets. The modern service center is a place where time is playing an increasingly important role. In a moment, a competition will take place, which consists in a comparison of the pace of work with pneumatic and manual tools. The composite impact wrench Yato has the maximum power in the half-an-inch 1356 Nm. The wrench is made of composite materials and duraluminum, and the result is a small mass amounting to 2 kg, which has a positive effect on the reliability and efficiency of the mechanic's performance in a long working cycle. The wrench has an ergonomic shape, non-freezing handle, and an integrated start-stop switch system, which maximally reduces the time of operation without load. The left-right rotation change system has been designed in a manner that eliminates the risk of overloading the threads of the screws that are being tightened. The wrench is adapted to operation in service and industrial conditions under very high loads. It has a twin hammer impact mechanism, which guarantees efficiency of screw tightening and a stable operation. A competition for the pneumatic wrench is a manual wrench. The popular cross wrench is a practical wrench for car wheels. It is made of high-quality chlorine vanadium steel. It has 4 arms with heads fitting the screws used in passenger cars. The cross wrench is additionally reinforced with a double, riveted steel sheet, which increases the user's safety. The wrench heads are made in the ES drive system. The following episode presents a competition between a ratchet and a separator, with a pneumatic driving system on the one hand and manual tools on the other hand. The pneumatic ratchet, whose torque amounts to 68 Nm, facilitates work and reduces the time and guarantees reliable and long-term operation. It replaces manual ratchets and facilitates work in hardly accessible places. This is a universal set of separators for brake calipers with a pushed piston. It applies for front brakes and screwed piston for the rear brakes. The driving system consists of a pneumatic servo motor, which permits to push stuck pistons in. 15 distinct adapters permit to operate most vehicles in the European, Asian or American market. Screwing of pistons is made possible by special adapters and a hand wheel with a resistant and reliable lever at the rear of the servo motor. The set is recommended for applications under a significant load in vehicle service centers. Now we see a set of separators for brake calipers with a manual driving system, which is adapted for the purposes related to service of pushed and screwed brake calipers. The set contains 11 adapters for different sizes of brake pistons for most European and Asian passenger cars. Precise adjustment of the adapter and the piston guarantees the correct position of the piston in the brake caliper cylinder. This in turn protects the piston from jamming and being stuck in the cylinder. The set is recommended for applications in general mechanical car service centers. The development of the automotive industry stimulates the development of diagnostic tools. The adequate selection of tools permits to perform efficient repair service. Here is a diagnostic set for radiators in combustion engines. Its purpose is to diagnose and detect leakages in the cooling systems. It permits to detect micro-leakages while the engine is working. The method of the operation is based upon the working overpressure within the range between from 1.5 to 2 atmospheres, which is the case of leakage is reduced within a time unit. The overpressure permits to locate the micro-leakages in the cooling system through observation of the places of reduced pressure. The set consists of a pump, thermometer, adapters for radiators, adapters for equalizing tanks in cooling systems. The set is adapted for most European cars such as Volkswagen, Fiat, Ford, Peugeot, Citroën, Renault, Volvo and certain Asian cars. Advanced technologically, vehicle chassis sub-assemblies require special repair tools. The presented set consists of a universal puller and a bearing separator. These tools have been designed for intensive operation in mechanical and vehicle service centers. The set facilitates dismantling of gears, bearings, brake discs and other elements which are tightly adjusted on different kinds of axles. The puller and the separator are made of high carbon steel. They have oxidized arms and chlorine-plated lugs. The edges of the separator are precisely polished and hardened, which facilitates removal of tightly adjusted bearings. The driving system of the puller consists of a screw with a trapezoidal fine thread which is equipped with two kinds of tips, taper and flat end. The pneumatic driving system means a significant reduction of time and therefore is successfully used in production lines. An example within the construction industry is provided by the presented pneumatic nailing machine. It is made of ultra-light and resistant alloys of aluminium and magnesium. Special rubber coating protects the body from oxidizing and facilitates comfortable and ergonomic operation of the device. It protects the hand of the operator from freezing. The nailing machine is powered from an external source of compressed air within the range from 4/10 to 8/10 megapascals. The advantages of the Yato nailing machine are the following: easy operation of the nail magazine, fast stock nail removal mechanism, directed outlet of compressed air, sequential switch, adjustment of the nail driving depth, trigger protection, soft ergonomic handle, low mass of the device, covered nose protecting the material. A wide offer of Yato pneumatic tools permits, facilitates and shortens work. Thanks to such solutions, the services using Yato tools are efficient and reliable, which is acknowledged and appreciated by their clients. Yato, state of the art.